It was an unexpected turn, needing someone who gave my heart a third-degree burn. You might have seen this place before, but for me being a debutante, it's a little bit unsure. So you must understand, if I try to get the lay of the land, it's a lot to take in. Can't seem to read your face, don't know where to begin. Yeah, I'll be your getaway driver if you